Today we will be installing a radon mitigation system, a radon reduction technique that will greatly reduce the levels of radon gas in your home. Once we determine the location of where the system will be installed, we core a 4-inch hole in the concrete slab and dig out 5 gallons of aggregate. Depending on what is below the slab, you can use a shop vac or dig it out by hand. Next, we run a pipe from the suction point to where the fan will be mounted. If the fan will be mounted on the exterior of the home, there will be a switch installed within reach. We will then run the pipe up the side of the home from the fan and secure it to the home, having the pipe at least 12 inches above the roof line. Lastly, we check over the finished radon mitigation system, clean the pipe with acetone, and seal large cracks where needed. The IEMA recommends hiring a certified licensed professional to install a mitigation system. At Illinois Valley Radon Mitigation, we are licensed by the state of Illinois and fully insured for your protection. For any radon mitigation inquiries or installations, don't hesitate to call us at Illinois Valley Radon Mitigation.